Arrive in style with this Nissan 2014 Titan SV. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include SV Value Truck Package floor mats, 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, AM/FM CD audio system, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio data system and air conditioning. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.